Welcome to Model 3, Unit 2.
When we are going to make the body of a bubble with a cylindrical spherical central body and with two flanges and with an inner tube that is cut in an angle way. We value the dimensions that define this part, this body bubble, and we are going to proceed. First, an isometric part. We switch off the base and switch on the planes that are more comfortable in the ordered way of made the part. The first we are going to do is the exterior tube, the horizontal exterior tube, with a diameter of 36 millimeters, and an extension, asymmetric extension, of 100 millimeters. First, we are going to put a reliable name, save the file, and we follow with the trapezoidal cut on the tube. We have to follow this order because in other order it's almost impossible to obtain the cut without cutting other components of the part. We make a trapezoid, irregular. Now we connect the middle point of the upper and low bases of the trapezoid to the vertical axis. We set a dimension between the sides, the inclined side of the trapezoid with 15 millimeters and the angular dimension of 15 degrees. This dimension has to fit with the bubble that closes the fluid of the liquid.
We use through-all mode of cutting in both directions.
We are going to change to the completed visualization, the shadowed visualization, and now we are going the revolution central body of the bulb. We will choose the front plane to do that, and with the line from the horizontal axis with our vertical line, horizontal and vertical line, we need change to arc mode, so we have a tangent arc to the previous line up to the vertical axis, from there another line and another tangent axis, a arc to the end of the first line. We have to make this arc tangent to the first line, and both arcs have to be concentrical. We have to mark the revolution axis, and now to establish the dimensions of 60 and 50 millimeters and a height of 68 for the dimensions of the part of the central body. Inner hole 50 millimeters, the exterior of the cylinder 60 millimeters, and the height of the cylindrical part of 68 millimeters. We close the profile and we select a completed round of revolution. We set the name of central body, and now we are going to make the disc that form the flange. We are following this order because otherwise, if we make the horizontal hole prior to the exterior, the dimension of the flange is 65 millimeters. If we are made the previous hole, we have to repeat the dimension of the interior sometimes. We have here symmetric extension. We switch off this feature and establish a simple thickness of 4 millimeters. We name the cylinder as flange save the file, and we continue with the part in the next video.